A mixin packages a real, reusable group of CSS declarations that can be dropped into any rule with that include, optionally taking real arguments. In this video you'll build a genuine reusable mixin. This real @mixin packages 3 genuine CSS declarations together with $gap as a real argument with a default value. @include genuinely drops all 3 declarations from the mixin directly into .card using the real default 8px gap. Passing 20px here genuinely overrides the real default, reusing the same mixin with a different argument. @mixin packages a real, reusable group of CSS declarations under one name. @include drops a real mixins declarations directly into a rule. Mixins can genuinely take arguments, including default values. Build a real @mixin for a common pattern in your project with at least one argument. Ready to write a real function that returns a calculated value.